At the airport check-in.
Hello, can I check in here?
Yes, of course. Passport, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Where are you flying today?
To Paris.
Okay, let me check. One moment.
Sure.
Do you have any luggage?
Yes, one big suitcase and one small bag.
Please put the suitcase on the belt.
Okay, here it is.
Thank you. Do you want a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
Done. Here is your boarding pass.
Great, thank you. What time is boarding?
Boarding starts at 9:20.
And the gate number?
Gate 15. You can see the sign on the screen.
Perfect.
On the airplane.
Hello, can I put this bag here?
Yes, in the overhead bin.
Thank you. Is this seat 12A?
Yes, window seat.
Perfect. How long is the flight?
2 hours.
Okay, good. Can I get water later?
Of course, just press the button.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
At the hotel reception.
Hello, I have a booking.
Good evening. Your name, please.
Daniel Lee.
One room for 2 nights?
Yes, that's correct.
May I see your ID?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Here is your key card.
Which floor is it?
3rd floor, room 305.
Great, thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
At the bank.
Hello, I want to open an account.
Sure, do you have ID?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Do you want savings or current account?
Savings account.
Okay, please fill this form.
All right, how long does it take?
About 10 minutes.
Good.
At the post office.
Hello, I want to send this package.
Okay, where is it going?
To Spain.
Do you want standard or express delivery?
Express, please.
That will take 3 days.
Good. How much is it?
12 pounds.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Please sign here.
Okay, done.
Perfect. Here is your receipt.
At the library.
Excuse me, can I borrow this book?
Yes. Do you have a library card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. You can keep the book for 2 weeks.
That's good. Can I renew it?
Yes. Online or here?
Perfect. Are there computers here?
Yes, at the back.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your reading.